Hello everyone, I'm Matt and this is the next episode on Flight Review channel. But as you can see, or actually hear, today's episode will be slightly different. So starting out, this is the first business class on this channel and my first business ever, so I decided to change the style a little bit and try something different, because why not? And I just hope I won't destroy your ears because of my pronunciation and my English skills and whatever. But today I'm flying from Warsaw to Frankfurt in Lufthansa's A319, and so now I'm heading to the check-in desk using a dedicated lane for my class, but as you can see there is no big amount of passengers and everything is always smooth. And I got my boarding pass, and as I'm flying a business class I can use the fast track option, which allows a quick and pleasant passage through security. And you can also buy an access for normal ticket, and it will cost 39 Polish zlotys, and it will be around $10. So I have some time before my departure and I will go to one of the lounges. The Polonez lounge offers a hot and cold buffet as well as variety of drinks, and is available for Star Alliance Gold members and passengers with Star Alliance business class flights. And before we collect some food, let's walk and see how it looks inside. Okay, and I've got a potato cream soup, which was quite good actually. And for a dessert I got a very good wafer, and I promise you need to try it while being in Poland. Okay, and we can slowly go to our gate, and for today it will be gate number 28, and it's located in the middle of the terminal. So it's very good access from this lounge to this gate. And today's plane is a Airbus A319, as I said previously, and the plane was produced in 1997 and it's still flying, and just kidding, everything will be good. And I was looking forward to the business class boarding service, but unfortunately... Yeah, at the gate I was told that due to a strike by the catering company in Frankfurt, there would be no food. And what we can do? Just welcome on board. And this plane has 12 business class in two configuration, but it's actually free configuration with the middle seat blocked like a normal business class for short hauls in Europe. And the legroom is okay, and I think it's like a normal legroom like in the rest of the plane. It doesn't seem to have better legroom, but it's okay for this flight. I think it will be okay. So today's flight will take around 1 hour and 20 minutes, and we can start our pushback. shortly after reaching the cruising altitude of 11,600 meters, the service has started, and it was okay. I think the cabin crew tried their best to make it as pleasant as possible with no complimentary food as it should be. There were unlimited amount of drinks, and I don't know if it happens always or only on this flight, but it was quite good. We had also a variety of snacks like jellies, chocolate and corny bar, and there were also a lot of apples, but I didn't go for it. So yeah, as I said, the cabin crew was trying to make it as good as possible. In the pocket we have a standard set of things like a paper bag, safety instruction, on board the lights, and also a workshop with which is, to be honest, a big advert. But what we can do. On this flight there were a Lufthansa flight not available, but I think on such a short flight it's not necessary to buy it. On the free access you can check the flight status, the weather on the final destination, onwards connections, and some in-flight magazine in e-version, so I think it's okay. Okay, so we are reaching our standing position on the apron, and it seems like it will be disembarking by stairs and then by buses. It's okay, it's not raining, so I can deal with it. So what about the flight? The flight was good, it's nothing special, nothing bad at all. The cabin crew, as I said previously, tried to do their best to deal with no complimentary, no food. So thank you very much, Lufthansa. It was good. And now we can collect our luggage on the airport, and what's interesting, it's my first ever collecting in Frankfurt, because always when I was there it was a connecting flight, so yeah, so just I think. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I think I will maybe make more videos like this with commentary, or maybe with live commentary. I don't know, we will see. Maybe with some more interesting flights with more interesting airlines in the future. So have a good day, good night, whatever, and enjoy your day.